Hi, today we're going to talk about a little bit of Plickers. Plickers is a very nice tool that you can use with your students, and also it gives you the opportunity to see the progress of and results of your students. So what you're going to do is you're going to type this word, Plickers, that's the name, and you click on this one. Plickers is the free, okay? So you're going to sign up for free. As you already know, I really like this one. So we're going to use any online tool that you want, okay? So for example, I'm going to choose the first one, and it's going to open automatically. As you can see, it's going to appear to you this like guideline and also examples of what you can do using Plickers. Here we're going to start with math and science, okay? Or if you want to see these 5 examples about YouTube videos, you can watch it and see how and what you have to do. About language charts, about sounds, clips, okay? How to record and upload a video, how to edit, and how to have this sound library, and so on, so on. As you can see, you have a lot of it. So when you're done, please click start. Then here on the right side, you will be able to see that you have to follow these steps in order to have your Plickers classroom ready. Okay, so first you have to create a class, and if you click there, it's going to give you like the name of the class, or you can import it from Google Classroom. Okay, so that is why I chose my account from my job, so I can share with you this. Okay, oh, I'm going to use this one better. Okay, so because I have my personal students that I have worked, so I have here 3 classes. So I'm going to import these ones, and as you can see, I have 25%. Now they have to create my first set. Okay, what is that? That I have to write some quick questions to deliver in my Plickers lesson. Okay, so if I click there, automatically it's going to give me, for example, we're going to say, you can type whatever you want. Monday, Tuesday, what is next? So for example, we can say that this one is going to be the correct answer. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, and here you can click this one so you can shuffle the answers. Okay, if you want to. And like I did, you saw that I chose the C at the beginning and then the summary, because I click OK now. Because for example, you can click only the first one that you know that is going to be the first one, then go and click shuffle. You can have it like this, not as a list, but also 2-2. Or if you want to include images, you can do it. You can include video. No, this is not the one. But you can include videos. You can include sound. You can record your voice, okay, if you want to. You see, I'm going to search for a video very, very fast. For example, so you can see the example. Give me a minute. Okay, so I found this one, and it's telling me this one, and you can also see here how much time do you want them to see. Okay, insert the video like I said before, and here the sound, you can record it or you can upload it. Okay, and of course sound library if you want to use one of those that are here. And this one, the gift, if you want to add or you have, you can upload it too. Okay, when you are done, okay, what you're going to do is that you're going to go for the second question, and so on, so on, so on, so on. Okay, yes. So that's it. So we're going to have next one, get the cards. You can download it, you can buy them, and you have cards. These cards depend on what you want, what you have, okay, and anything that you want to use, right? So, for example, we're going to see, okay, we're going to download it. We can have it, and we can have the check. But I don't know why. Okay, so I have got the questions. That's it. And then if you want to have your mobile app, because this is going to help you to have the student responses. Okay, so I have got the app. That's it. And we have to wait. You have to do it because we are using the cell phone. The computer. I didn't do that, so I have to click on the one. Okay, so when you're done, we can see that we're going to play it to the demo class. No, sorry, we're going to do it, play it to the. Just that I have students, so it's kind of difficult for me. So I'm going to assign it, and this is when I want to present it, and we can reveal the answer that it was the first one. Okay, so I can see the graph when the students already answered. I can see the list, but because nobody answered right. This is live, of course. Okay, so we're going to go back here. And what you can do also is that you want to create a new pack. So for example, I'm going to write example. Okay, you can include an image. Your packs are these ones. Okay, so here what you're going to do is you're going to add and click here in the three bottoms, and you're going to click new question, and automatically it's going to give you the option for a new question that you want to add. And like I said before, that's what you can do. Or here I can give you like a true false, or the other example, okay, that multiple choice. Okay, that's up to you. What do you want to do? When you're done, you can go and create a new one, and then it's going to appear to you here, like the first example, your questions. Okay, so, and then of course you can, because it's connected to Google Classroom, students will be able to see it and to answer the question that you want them to be answered. Okay, so this one I recommend it because it's a different one. Maybe we're using the same strategies, but it is a different app, and students you can add the answers like videos, sounds, and you can use, like I said at the beginning of the video, you should watch the video, and also you can search for examples that you want. Okay, so I hope that you use this one, and please watch the rest of the videos, because they have also incredible online tools that you can use for next year. See you next time.